urgent. Red emergency lights flash. A terrified young woman screams in a dark, claustrophobic elevator as a pale, long-haired entity suddenly materializes inches away from her. A 40-second algorithm generated every frame of this sequence. No cameras, sets, or directors were required. The text script for The Haunting of Elevator 13 reveals the exact prompt recipe used to manufacture this specific scenario. Treating this script as a forensic document exposes how digital horror can be used to manipulate our senses piece by piece. This document serves as a mechanical schematic, showing how modern terror is often a product of engineering rather than organic creativity. The visual directives used across all 5 scenes provide the base layer for the atmosphere. The prompts rely on deliberate repetition of aesthetic keywords, cinematic horror atmosphere, realistic shadows, and 4K. Consistent use of these terms locks the visual tone in place, ensuring the exact same lighting and dread follow the character from the opening hallway directly into the elevator. This structure maintains a creepy atmosphere as an unyielding baseline, preventing the visual tension from dropping at any point. The cinematic quality isn't the result of a director's intuition, but a brute force mathematical enforcement of a visual algorithm. Since AI-generated visuals can lack natural motion, the audio architecture carries the primary narrative weight. The script assigns specific voice casting directives to establish the character roles. The contrast between the old scared male warning and the confident young female response sets up the classic horror trope of the ignored warning. Once the doors close, the threat escalates from an impersonal, robotic elevator voice to a highly aggressive, demonic whisper. The shift from safety to panic is engineered through these precise, text-based auditory cues. The final element of the blueprint is the rigid timing dictated by the scene timecodes. The 40-second script is split into 5 perfect, unyielding 8-second blocks. The trap is set in Scene 2, the ghost arrives in Scene 3, and the jump scare hits in Scene 4, all following a fixed schedule. This timing is designed to satisfy the retention requirements of modern short-form video platforms. The jump scare triggers exactly when a viewer's attention is most likely to fade. Visuals, audio, and pacing come together to create a highly efficient content generation machine. The disappearance of the girl in Elevator 13 demonstrates the mechanics of algorithmic storytelling. These blueprints show how specific scares can be converted into a repeatable, prompt-driven formula. The true source of the dread isn't the ghost at the end of the hall, but the invisible prompt architecture driving the system. We are watching an algorithmic loop where mechanically engineered terror knows exactly which buttons to push to keep us captured.